Hello students, I am Dr. Kulvinder Singh taking the skill enhancement paper Chocolate Crafts. Now this particular paper was introduced under the National Education Policy Scheme in University of Delhi and for science student also. Now in this particular lecture we are taking the three important issues. Number one, what is the structure of the paper? Number two, why we should learn chocolate craft. And finally, we would like to understand that how a science student, particularly a physics student, can use his knowledge in doing the better crafting for chocolate. This will be the one of the very important issue which we'll touch in this particular lecture. So students, let's start with the course. The first topic is the introduction. In this we'll see the little bit of history of the discovery of the chocolate and its development to the modern age. We would like to see also what is the market position globally and in India of this chocolate industry. And finally, we would like to see that what type of the chocolates are available in the market. Now students, we'll see how the chocolate reaches from the field to our table. Now from the field, the fruit is taken and is processed to get the three important parts. One is called the chocolate liquor, other is the cocoa butter, and also the cocoa powder. Now student, with the basic knowledge, we are now ready to go for actually making the chocolate in the kitchen. But before that, we would like to know what are the precautions and hygiene practices which we have to care while doing the chocolate making in the kitchen.